In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Drive, a powerful setup that streamlines collaboration, boosts productivity, and keeps your files and communication perfectly in sync. Whether you're managing projects, sharing documents, or coordinating with your team, this integration will make everything more efficient. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Zapier homepage. Zapier is a web-based automation tool that connects your favorite apps and helps them work together seamlessly. In this case, we'll use it to link Microsoft Teams and Google Drive so you can automate repetitive tasks between them. Once you're on the homepage, click on Create, then select Zaps. Zaps are what Zapier calls automated workflows. They connect two or more apps and perform specific actions when a certain condition is met. Inside the Zaps area, look for the search bar and type Connect, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. Zapier will display a series of setup options to guide you through building the automation. Next, click on Add All Steps to Zap to begin the process. You'll now set a trigger event, the action that starts your automation. For example, you might choose when a new file is uploaded to Google Drive, which could then trigger an automatic message in Microsoft Teams notifying your team. Once you've selected your trigger, you'll need to sign into both your Google Drive and Microsoft Teams accounts within Zapier. This step allows the apps to communicate securely. Make sure to authorize permissions when prompted so Zapier can access your files and workspace safely. After connecting your accounts, click Test Trigger to make sure Zapier recognizes the data correctly. If everything looks good, move on to the Action Event Setup. This determines what Microsoft Teams should do when the trigger occurs, such as sending a notification, posting a link in a specific channel, or alerting team members about new uploads. Once configured, test your Zap again to confirm that everything works smoothly. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Publish to activate it. From now on, Zapier will automatically run this workflow in the background, keeping your files and communication perfectly aligned without you having to do it manually. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Microsoft Teams with Google Drive. With this setup, your team can collaborate faster, share updates instantly, and stay organized across both platforms. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech guides to improve your digital workflow.